Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Buss Down Rollie is probably one of the most eye-catching and luxurious watches you can find. Today, we're diving deep into the world of this iced-out masterpiece, exploring its design, craftsmanship, and the statement it makes. Whether you're a seasoned watch collector or just starting to appreciate high-end timepieces, this video will give you the lowdown on what makes the Buss Down Rollie an icon. Number 5. BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum 2390A. With every purchase, you're supporting the BISSELL Pet Foundation. They are dedicated to saving pets in need. Your support helps them continue their important work. This vacuum is designed to remove embedded dirt and pet hair. It features a motorized brush tool specifically for homes with pets. It makes cleaning up after your furry friends a breeze. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning with its 14V lithium-ion battery. You can easily clean wherever you need to, without being tethered to an outlet. It provides reliable power for all your cleaning tasks. The dirt bin is designed to trap pet hair and messes. This allows you to empty it quickly and clean more efficiently. It makes the cleaning process simple and hassle-free. It comes with a motorized brush tool, upholstery tool, and crevice tool. These tools help tackle messes on furniture, stairs, auto interiors, and more. It's the perfect solution for all your pet-related cleaning needs. The triple-level filtration system helps capture dust and debris. This improves the overall cleaning performance. It ensures a thorough and effective clean every time. What we like. This vacuum's motorized brush tool is designed specifically for homes with pets, making cleaning up after your furry friends a breeze. It offers cordless convenience, allowing you to clean anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. If you have pets and need a quick and easy way to clean up messes, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This vacuum is very convenient to spot clean areas where fur has built up or to clean up loose litter around the litter box. It has great suction and will pick up just about anything. The suction is strong for a handheld, and it does a great job pulling up pet hair from couches, stairs, and car seats. The included tools are useful. The upholstery tool works well on furniture, and the crevice tool makes it easy to reach tight spots. The dirt bin empties quickly without making a mess, which is a nice touch. Number 4. Straight Lace Front Wigs 13x4 HD Transparent. This wig is made from unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair. It's cut directly from healthy young women. The hair is soft, bouncy, and has no strange smell. The 13x4 HD transparent lace front is soft, invisible, breathable, and comfortable. It gives a supernatural look. The density is 200%, making it look full. The wig has a 22.5-inch medium cap with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. This makes it easy to adjust and durable. It will help you fix the wig on your head, making it more comfortable to wear. This straight lace front wig can be styled in many ways. You can part it on the side or in the middle. You can also put it in a high ponytail or a bun. It can be dyed and curled, allowing you to restyle it as you wish. This straight lace wig is suitable for various occasions. You can wear it to parties, for daily styles, shopping, or even weddings. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. The HD transparent lace front wig offers a natural look and feel, blending seamlessly with your skin. With its 200% density, it provides a full and voluminous appearance. If you are looking for a wig that can be styled in various ways, from side parts to high ponytails, this one is perfect for you. What people say. The hair length is what they say it is. I got the 30-inch. I've been wearing my wig for about a week now, and the softness hasn't changed. It's still straight and long like it was when I took it out the package. The density and volume is just amazing. You really don't have to do much to this wig. The length is stunning and gives such a luxurious, glamorous look. The hair is silky, soft, and full from root to tip, no tangling or shedding at all. It looks incredibly natural, especially with the pre-plucked hairline and lace that melts perfectly into my skin. Styling is super easy, it holds curls beautifully and straightens smoothly. Wig came 2 days, no smell, very silky and long out of pack. It was also easy to install. I only added makeup to wig cap and part to clean up the part. This wig is very beginner friendly. I would recommend it for a quick install. The wig came true to length and is jet black as I ordered. It's very thick and little shedding. The hair feels so soft and smooth, the quality is great for the price. Number 3. ASR Outdoor Gold Pan Kit, Beginner's Prospecting. Are you ready to strike gold? This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start your gold prospecting journey. The kit offers gold pans in 10, 12, or 14-inch diameters. The dual riffle technology makes it easy to sift through pay dirt. This helps you find those precious gold nuggets. This kit includes a large glass vial with a screw-on lid. This is where you can store your recovered gold flakes. It's a safe and secure way to keep your findings. The magnifying tweezer has a built-in loop. This helps you check the quality of your gold and precious gems. It's 4.5 inches long, perfect for detailed inspection. The kit also includes a 3-ounce gold snifter bottle. This is a handy tool for collecting and storing your gold. It's a great addition to the kit. What we like. This kit's dual riffle technology makes it easy to sift through pay dirt and find gold nuggets. It includes a gold collection vial to store your finds and a magnifying tweezer for close inspection. If you like the thrill of the hunt and want a beginner-friendly kit, this is a great option. What people say. The pan is well made and the sifter is great to have and works well. Came on time, great packaging, found gold, really enjoyed the experience. Nice small pan, great size for kids. Very sturdy construction. Number 2. IUPin Body Wave Lace Front Wig. This wig is made with unprocessed Brazilian body wave Remy human hair. It's soft, smooth, and feels silky. You'll experience minimal shedding and no tangles, making it comfortable against your skin. The wig features a 150% density, giving it a natural look, and comes with baby hairs for added realism. It's designed to look and feel great, enhancing your overall appearance. This glueless body wave lace wig is made with real human hair. It has a medium cap size, with combs and adjustable straps, so it fits most people comfortably. The 4x4 lace closure is pre-plucked and has bleached knots. You can dye, highlight, curl, straighten, and style it as you like. With proper care, it can last over a year. This wig is suitable for any situation, whether it's a party, birthday, travel, celebration, graduation, wedding, or just your daily life. It's designed to make you look and feel confident. It's a 4x4-inch lace front wig for black women, with parting space in the front. It has a medium-size cap and medium brown lace, along with adjustable straps and 3 combs for a secure fit. The hair is measured by stretching it from top to end, rather than measuring it directly. This ensures an accurate length measurement for your convenience. What we like. This wig features a beautiful body wave texture and a glueless design for easy application. It comes pre-plucked with baby hair, creating a natural hairline. If you want a comfortable and stylish wig that's easy to wear and customize, consider this one. What people say. Stunning 28-inch body wave human hair. Soft, silky, and luxurious texture. No shedding or tangling, easy to style and maintain. The hair knot is small, easy to comb, and the coloring effect is also very good. The wig is thick and fluffy, with very little hair loss. This wig is of good quality and does not have the unique odor of wigs. Number 1. CMIDY 24 PCS 18 Silver-Plated Snake Chain Necklace. Introducing the CMIDY Snake Chain Necklace, perfect for your jewelry making needs. This set includes 24 pieces, each 18 inches long and 1.2 millimeters thick. It's easy to use and beautifully designed. These necklaces are silver-plated, ensuring they are strong and long-lasting. The plating helps prevent oxidation and fading, so they will maintain their shine. This makes them a great choice for everyday wear. This chain is designed to fit any pendant. It's a great match for our CMIDY crystal pendants and many other charms. It will enhance the look of any pendant you choose. The material is silver-plated, and each chain is 18 inches in length with a 1.2 mm thickness. The package includes 24 chains, ready for your creative projects. It's a great value for your money. This is 925 silver-plated, so handle it with care. Protect it from water to maintain its quality. Enjoy this beautiful necklace and create stunning jewelry pieces. This silver-plated chain complements our crystal pendants and other charms. It's a versatile piece that adds elegance to any design. Get ready to create your own unique jewelry. What we like. These silver-plated chains are easy to use for jewelry making and are designed to fit any pendant. They are durable and not easy to oxidize. If you are a jewelry maker or want to create personalized necklaces, this is a great choice for you. What people say. These chains are quality. Highly recommend if you're wanting to step up your jewelry making game. The chains feel heavy and durable and are beautiful. The length is perfect too. Good quality. I swear New York these chains for my pendants. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.